Today we'll be testing the Casus Grill for Inhabitat. It is a almost completely biodegradable grill made completely from natural ingredients, lava stone, charcoal, bamboo. You don't have to worry about aluminum or iron of traditional grills, which take 200 years to decompose. Instead, this is a single-use grill, great for camping or hiking, any short-term trip to the beach. Heats up in about 5 minutes, so we're excited to see how that works out. And when you're done grilling, you don't have to worry about the impact you're leaving on the environment. For the asparagus, soft, tender, still had a little bit of a crunch to it. Steak also cooked really quickly, 6 minutes on each side. They had some char lines, which was really nice. They were tender, juicy, they didn't come out dry. The problem with the steaks was that the sides took a little longer to cook, and it's harder to get that charred grilling on the sides of the steak. As far as the fish, it cooked pretty thoroughly. The skin came out golden. Biggest issue is that it stuck to the grill pretty badly, which is obviously a problem. We lost some chunks of the fish, but it's still a pretty good option if you are camping or hiking. Per the instructions, you need to put the grills out when you're finished with them with water, sand, or earth. We're just gonna try water at first, and if that doesn't work, we're gonna go grab some sand. That is effective. When you put the water in, the charcoal just basically disintegrates. And it is on a bed of lava stone, so that's how the cardboard keeps from catching on fire. Once you put the charcoal out, you need to wait until everything is cooled down before you dispose of the grill. It is biodegradable, and you can recycle the lava stone. It came out really delicious. Everything was cooked really rapidly. You could cook a whole meal on this grill in 10 to 20 minutes. And it would still taste delicious as if you cooked it on a normal grill.